Hello people, today we talk about LED models which at the time being come in 3 types. And this video is kind of tutorial what type of LED model to choose. Someone who don't knows what we are talking here about, we are talking about Lightplayer device for creating a light art. So keep watching and you will get useful information. Here is first basic model. Simple, consists of LED, a ball joint and lens. Lenses can be 3 types: narrow, medium or wide beam, and that's it. Simple, clear, efficient. Next, semi-advanced model. Its construction is the same as the first one, but this has one improvement. It has an integrated barn doors. They allow you to control unwanted light spill. Here's how it works. You are adjusting them with a small rod or simply with your fingers. And the third one, advanced model. As you can see, it also looks really advanced. The structure is the same, but now it has both vertical and horizontal barn doors. That means the light beam can be controlled from all 4 sides, left, right, top and bottom. Here's how it works. Simple and very efficient. Yeah, so this is a new thing with this advanced LED. The whole project has been developing for almost 2 years. And these models are not even 2 months old. Earlier, the light beam was controlled using warrior shields made from cardboard or another sheet material. They still work and still can be used, and in some cases are even quite convenient. Of course, now it's nice to have this barn door. It can be done much faster and neater. You can think about other things and do other things while you are thinking where is scissor or where is double-sided tape. And the conclusion is that the best is to have all, of course, but it is highly customizable device and the process, so I think each creator will make its own decision. Or you can do just like in this example where you can see I'm doing with a diamond ring. I was just attaching with double-sided tape a piece of cardboard. It was working perfectly. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.